Dear friends, this video is all about live streaming setup of Hikvision's IP camera, which you might need for your organizing events, seminars, public speaking, etc. To do this, we need to know the RTSP path or URL which supports with Hikvision's IP camera. Please note, the RTSP path or URL format are not the same for all other IP cameras that we embed here for a Hikvision's IP camera. The RTSP path or URLs are specific to make of the cameras. So you need to be aware before setting up the live streaming of the particular make. This video will give you the RTSP practical implementations concept to embed live streaming into your web page, VLC player or YouTube channel, or it could be any platform you are in need of. So guys, we have two methods. The first method is RTSP without authentications and the second method is RTSP with authentications. So let's understand the first method first of all. So the first method is without authentications. That means we'll not be using any username and password together with the URL of the RTSP here. So this will ask manually with the end users or our viewers to enter username or password before they will be allowed or able to view your live stream. In the second method, RTSP with authentications, we will be using just username and password with the first method URL itself. So there is nothing changes, only the username and password before IP address of the device. So that's all. And there's nothing, any changes in the URL template also. So this second method restrict the viewers not to enter credentials of the camera, or we can say the credentials of the path to be able to view our live stream. So they will not be entering manually. It is already entered in the URL only, or it is already implemented on our platform automatically or dynamically from our side only. So the viewers will not need to enter credentials manually on their own. Hope this is very clear. Now we'll be understanding the path. So this RTSP : IP address of the device we need to put here, and the RTSP port by default 554 is the RTSP port, but in your scenario or my scenario I could have a different RTSP port as per the requirement or as per the port availability in our network. So RTSP port you can put here, and then the /streaming/channels/channel number. This is important. Channel numbers is nothing but your camera number, the stream number. Then after stream number you need to port. So stream number is nothing but your main stream or sub stream. So there are two kinds of stream, that is a main stream or sub stream. So main stream is a 01, sub stream is a 02. This is the code for Hikvision's IP camera. For example, you can see here RTSP : the IP address. This is the local IP address. You can have your public IP address also, and then the RTSP port by default 554, but in my case I have 1554, and then /streaming/channels, and this one is my camera number or channel number, and 01 is the stream type. So 01 is the main stream, as you see here, to get the main stream of the first channel, and the second one is the same path, only we are changing it 02 code. So 02 code is the sub stream. So guys, you might be knowing sub stream is a low quality configurations in our camera, or it is a low quality video producing stream. mainstream will have a high quality of video producing stream. So if we'll talk about the second method, there we have only the username and password before the IP address. Apart from that, there is nothing, any changes with the URL also, and all the meaning of the word or of the format is same to the first one. So hope you are clear. Now let's perform the practical and see how it works. So guys, for that we'll open a browser, and first of all we'll do the port forwarding on our public IP address. So I have been logged in successfully to my internet router. I will go to advanced and then the NAT settings, virtual router, virtual server, and then after user defined service name, I will write RTSP. So RTSP, I'm gonna to forward it. In my case, it is 1554. I wanted to forward. LAN open port is also 1554. LAN IP address, my camera IP address is 192.168.1.64, and I will click on apply changes. So this is forwarded. Before I do it, I wanted to show you that 1554 is open or not on my public IP address. So to do so, I will open a port checker website. This is my public IP address, and I wanted to check 1554 is open on and I'll check 1554 port is open on my public IP address or not. So let's see guys. So guys, this is closed, means the port is not open, and I'll not be able to stream or view my camera outside of my network until and unless I will get this port is open on my public IP address. So in my router, as I disabled it just now, I'll enable it, and this makes 1554 port open on my public IP address. So now let's check again. So guys, you see here 1554 is open on my public IP address, that is 122.182.244.223. Now we have to check our IP camera as well, whether our IP camera has the same port number or not. Sorry, 192.160.1.64. Admin, I'll enter my camera password. So guys, here I'll go to configurations. So guys, I'll go to configurations, and then I'll go to network, and then I'll go to port, and then I see here 1554. So, and I see here 1554 port is enabled here, and I see here 1554 port is enabled here. So now let's check on our public IP address. So our public IP address is this, and let's check our format. So this is the format guys. Okay, streaming, right? So let's write now the format as well. So guys, now let's write the template. In my case, it is RTSP colon / and then my public IP address on which we have forwarded the RTSP port 1554. So I'll give the colon 1554 and then / just I am flowing this template, nothing but I am flowing the template. So it is streaming now, and then / channels. Make sure the spellings are not wrong, and then again /G1 channel number. I'll give channel number here. 1 is nothing but a channel number or camera number, and 01 is the stream type. So 01 is the mainstream, 02 is the substream, as you already explained here, or already we have been discussed here. So I'm gonna to get the main stream of the camera. So this is the first method, which will ask me username and password to enter and view the live stream. Without entering username and password or credentials of the camera or this path, will not be able to view the RTSP stream on our applications, or let's say on any platform. So this is the first method. Now second method is just the same path, same URL, but we'll be putting username and password before the IP address. So let me write it: RTSP : / username is admin, it is the username of the camera, and my camera password is dial@123. Again, @ you need to give the same format. IP address, my public IP address, the RTSP port number, which we have forwarded already, and then / streaming, and then channels, and / 1 is the channel number or a camera number, 01 is the stream type, that is main stream. If you put here 02 is the sub stream. So I wanted to get a good clarity view, then definitely I am gonna to use the main stream, because main stream will have a better video quality than the this sub stream. Sub stream is nothing but a secondary streams. So now let's test this, both the URL on a typical applications called VLC player. VLC player will decode our RTSP stream and gives us a view whether these URL are working or not. So let's do it. I'll open a VLC player now, and I'll go to media and then open network stream, and just I'll copy this URL and let's see. So guys, as you see here, it has prompted for username and password to enter before it will allow us to view the stream. So I'll enter my camera username as admin and password is dial@123, enter. So I'm able to stream our camera, guys. As you see here, I'm able to view my camera. I am able to view the live stream successfully. Now let's check the second method without the username and password entering. So for that, I will copy the second URL also and paste it to the VLC player. So guys, I will again go here, open network stream, and I'll replace it. So as you see here, this is also working without entering the username and password. So as you guys see here, the second URL is also working and it is not asking any username and password with me. So this is how the first or second method you can implement in your own scenario for live streaming of your Hikvision IP camera. If it is any other Mac cameras, you find out the format and the logic or concept is the same. So thanks for watching, guys.